In this video, I'll be showing you how to edit normal video to slow motion in iPhone. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Now, it's really easy to do this, and you can do it on any iPhone, but you are going to have to download an application. So go over to your App Store, go to search, and then type in CapCut, like so. And then it's a completely free software, so just go ahead and download this if you haven't got it already. So what you want to do then is open up your CapCut application. Once it's opened up, go over to new video at the very top and then just select any video you want to add to this. So for this example, I'll just add this one right here. Then go ahead and press add. Now, let's say currently it's on a normal speed. Let's say I want to go ahead and slow it down. All I got to do is highlight the video on the timeline. So now it's like got a white border around it. And on the bottom, I'm going to see a lot of different things. But next to delete, I'm going to see speed as one of the options. So go ahead and click on that. Then click normal. And then over here, it shows I can increase the speed or I can, slow it down by going backwards. And it shows the duration change as well. So right now, by default, it's 7.4 seconds. If I want to change it to like 9.2, I could go ahead and do that. And then that's literally it. Once you go ahead and do that, it's going to show up as however you want. And you can keep changing it however you want to as well. And yeah, it's as simple as that. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. And also, once you're done with it, just go ahead and click export on the top right and it's going to be saved to your camera roll.